As he sends in the cross, that's the first goal from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, we failed to beat King Faisal. I felt that game was disappointing. The first half I slept twice. I'm not joking. I slept twice while watching the first half and the second half. I slept twice, once in the first half, once again in the second half. I think it was a very disappointing performance. Obviously, the House of Oak defeat affected the boys, and I think it's all over now. Yes, as of we just need 4 points from the 3 last games to win the Ghana Premier League. So I think we've just handed them the trophy. Defeat would have been better. At least King Faisal would have escaped, had the cushion to escape relegation, because right now this draw is useless. House of Oak could definitely get the 4 points from their last 3 games and obviously win the Ghana Premier League. So I felt that this game is a game that we should show our mentality, that we are resilient, that the game against House of Oak hasn't affected us too much. But the players now, you see, Augustine Okra missed a great chance and he played as if he's uninterested. I think at the end of the season it would take a miracle. Even if Mariano Barreto has been heaping praise on him as one of the best players in the Ghana Premier League, I think it would take a miracle for Kotoko to give him a new contract. I think he'll be one of the players I'll be leaving at the end of the season, because he has shown that he doesn't have the mentality. He is not how will I put it? He doesn't have the mentality to play for Kotoko, and long term actually he just shines and he's not consistent enough. He gets injured, comes back, can't go back to his normal form. He just have spark and that's it, just once in 3 months. So I'm not going to point out fingers at anybody, because everybody played very bad today. Andrew Sapil brought down Kwame Pepper. That should have been a penalty, but the referee didn't blow it. We were lucky there. We went away with that. The whole defense organization today was appalling. The goal they scored was Samuel Frimpong. He couldn't mark the guy behind him. He didn't see him. The guy just came in his front. He was even surprised to see the guy in his front, and he just scored an empty post, or he just had the easy opportunity to score goal. So I felt that today's game it shouldn't be happening. It shouldn't be happening. The boys played as if they are not interested, and it's shocking. The midfield was, I don't know what to talk about the midfield. Emmanuel Keke left. I don't think Frimpong is good. I see when he came in, he made some incredible passes and interceptions, long passes, through balls, forward passes. He played very well. I think he should be in the starting lineup for our next games throughout the season till the season ends. So that's what I think he should be, because right now Emmanuel Keke and Mudasiri played with Emmanuel Keke and other players. It's as if the House of Oak defeat affected them mentally. So I know everything is done now, all is lost. House of Oak are winning the Ghana Premier League, because it would be a shock for them to not get 4 points from the last 3 games to win the Ghana Premier League. So I feel that if we want to finish the season hard, the 2 games remaining will determine the players that will be playing for Asante Kotoko next season. So the players should just try the best, finish the game hard, play and give all they have, and finish the season hard. That is what I want. And the FA Cup is the most important thing now, is the priority, and the players should give all their best to win the FA Cup. They should prioritize the FA Cup right now and at least get Asante Kotoko a trophy this season. If Mariano Barreto is very, very ambitious, I know he's very ambitious. I mean, the players, he should try to motivate them to forget about the Ghana Premier League disappointment and focus on the FA Cup and possibly win it, because Kotoko fans will take the FA Cup trophy as a consolation for not winning the Ghana Premier League. It's been a very, very long, terrible, strange and weird season. It's coming to an end finally. 2 more games to go, and Kotoko will be planning ahead of next season. Some players will be leaving, some players will be coming back, obviously, but I think we just have to finish the season hard. We should just play well, try to motivate the players and get everything in form towards the end of the season. So I think that's all for today. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
Frimpong. Now what do? Lovely ball to Morrison. Can Faisal moving into enemy territory with so much confidence. Can they get an opener? And Kumasi Can Faisal are up by 1-0 against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Zubairu Ibrahim breaking the deadlock on the 15-minute mark of the game. It's Kotoko 0, Can Faisal 1.
It's a really good goal. It's a very, very good goal. It all started from Wadudu. That pass is a brilliant ball into the space, into Enoch Morrison. But once he gets there, he's always trying to get at his man. Little step over, goes past him and puts in a very good ball. But it's Frimpong who's not aware of the danger in behind him. And once his man gets ahead of him, Zubairu, Frimpong can't make the contact because the least contact that comes in is going to be a penalty. But for the fact that he wasn't aware of his man in behind him is where the problem is. The ball over the top is a very simple one. Kotoko can't deal with it because Frimpong is not aware of the danger coming from behind. Zubairu does what to get in front of him. Once he gets the touch, he doesn't panic. Picks the spots and beats Kwame Bai and Kotoko are staring at trouble. But on the balance of play that we've seen here, Faisal have deserved it.
Fair share. Now looking on from the bench, hoping Kotoko will get something out of this free kick. Imoro's delivery. Danlad fails to save, and that's the equalizer. It's 1-1. Andy Kumi and referee Clementine Ku are not interested in the protest from Can Faisal. So that's the delivery from Imoro.
Yeah, that's the ball that comes into the box here. But it's an interesting one. They're calling for a foul. The ball gets in behind Danlad. That is a header that goes into the back of the net. Danlad fails to make the catch. Yeah, he does fail to make the catch, and this time he doesn't.
Frimpong. Now Wadudu. Lovely ball to Morrison. Can Faisal moving into enemy territory with so much confidence. Can they get an opener? And Kumasi Can Faisal are up by 1-0 against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Zubairu Ibrahim breaking the deadlock on the 15-minute mark of the game. It's Kotoko 0, Can Faisal 1.
It's a really good goal. It's a very, very good goal. It all started from Wadudu. That pass is a brilliant ball into the space, into Enoch Morrison. But once he gets there, he's always trying to get at his man. Little step over, goes past him and puts in a very good ball. But it's Frimpong who's not aware of the danger in behind him. And once his man gets ahead of him, Zubairu, Frimpong can't make the contact because the least contact that comes in is going to be a penalty. But for the fact that he wasn't aware of his man in behind him is where the problem is. The ball over the top is a very simple one. Kotoko can't deal with it because Frimpong is not aware of the danger coming from behind. Zubairu does what to get in front of him. Once he gets the touch, he doesn't panic. Picks the spots and beats Kwame Bai and Kotoko are staring at trouble. But on the balance of play that we've seen here, Faisal have deserved it.